Have you been looking for a way to reward your students for the digital content that they produce online or milestones that they've reached in your class? Well, if so, digital badging is just for you. When you're in your Haiku course, if you navigate to the right-hand side under Manage Class, we can go to Edit Badges in order to create badges for our class. I can choose from badges that I already have or badges that come from the district level, but in this case I'm going to create my own badge for my class. I'm going to choose Add Badge and then under My Badges, create a badge. And I'm going to call this badge Digital Citizenship. We've been studying digital citizenship and what it means to be a good consumer of digital content. I could type a description here of what it is they did to receive this badge, credit description, what I required of the students in order for them to get credit on this, and then the criteria along with it. I'm going to choose Save. The only thing required here is the name of the badge. Once it's been created, then I'm given the toolbar of where I can actually create my digital badge. So I can choose the shape I want my badge to be. I can choose an image that appears on it. There are 9 on the front screen, but I can do See More. I can also upload images. So maybe my school mascot I want to make into a digital badge for my class. I can do that as well. So I'm going to do See More. And because we've been working on digital content, I'm going to choose a computer. So when I search here, I'm going to grab this little guy right here and choose Use This Icon, and we can see there's quite an extensive library here of different icons for the digital badging purpose. I'm going to choose Use This Icon. I have my computer here. Next, if I wanted to include text, maybe the title of the badge. Default is no text. If I unselect this, I can choose to type in the title of the badge. Okay, once I am satisfied with the title of my badge, I will be able to choose the outline of the badge. I'm going to choose this one here so you can see I added the stripe, and then the last is the color selection. So I could make this badge whatever color I choose, and that's what it's going to apply to my class. Let's make some modifications here. And then the border, we're going to make it a nice bright purple. So once I'm satisfied with my badge, I'm going to save it. I will be able to award this badge to any of the students on my roster. So I have my badge here. I'm going to choose Continue. So now it's created my badge. Wait for a minute for it to load. And I'm going to choose Add once it's done. Now this badge is going to be available in my class for me to award to my student. So we can see now that it has been added. Once I'm finished, I choose Done. And now the badge is showing up on my class badge option. Now to award badges, I can award badges anywhere I'm able to see my student roster. So one of the easiest places is if I go to Edit Roster, and then under my Student tab, I'm able to have my student here. If I click on their bonsai tree icon, it says that they've earned 0 badges, and I can go ahead and award a badge right here. So I'm going to award them their digital citizenship. I could write a little comment, congratulations on earning this. If there was something they had to complete, a checkoff sheet, I could upload that evidence here, and I'm going to click Award. So now if I hover over this, I'm able to see that this student has been awarded 1 badge. And we can see here by clicking that this badge is awarded. And that's how you would create digital badges and award them to students in your class.